What if I told you this small injection machine uses 90% less energy than that 60-ton press during the heat-up process? Today, we're proving that bigger isn't always better. Stay with us. You're about to see injection molding in an innovative way. I'm here with the APSX-PIM V3. This machine fits on any desktop. But don't let the size fool you. This is serious manufacturing equipment.
Hello everyone, I'm Jason, and I'm going to show you exactly how this machine works.
Industrial injection molding usually needs huge facility spaces. This changes everything. Traditional machines need 400 square feet of space. The APSX-PIM V3 needs just 4 square feet of space.
That's like comparing a tennis court to a tennis ball.
Exactly, and it plugs into any standard wall outlet.
Let's start with what it's made of. We got a stainless steel barrel, hard anodized aluminum parts.
That sounds expensive. Is it built to last?
Absolutely. In addition to the stainless steel barrel, the plunger is case-hardened steel with chrome plating. This isn't a toy. It's built for real production work.
I noticed there are no water lines. How does cooling work?
It's all air cooling. There's no water cooling needed. That means you could set it up anywhere. No plumbing required.
So I could run this in my office?
As long as you have a power outlet and good ventilation, absolutely. The temperature control is electronic. It's very precise.
What's the maximum temperature?
330 degrees Celsius. It also has multiple temperature zones. You can control each one separately.
Safety is important with any manufacturing equipment. What protections does this have?
First, there's this door guard. It protects us from the hot plastic and the hot mold. Remember, always wear your safety glasses when operating the machine. Remember, the barrel and the nozzle remain hot. Keep your hands clear and feed pellets into the hopper only. It also has an automatic shut-off feature.
How does that work?
If there's no activity for 5 minutes, the heat automatically shuts off. That saves energy and prevents overheating. The machine has precision sensors throughout. These measure strain, temperature, and position.
Why is that important?
Consistent parts. Every injection is exactly the same.
How long does setup take?
From unboxing to first part, about 30 minutes. Everything comes pre-assembled, just plug it in and turn it on. Installing a mold takes about 15 minutes. First, open the clamp, slide in the mold, tighten these bolts, and we're ready to go.
That's it?
That's it. No special tools needed. All controls are on this touch screen. Set your temperature here, injection pressure here, and clamp force here.
Is it hard to learn?
The interface is very user-friendly. Most people learn it in a few minutes.
What kind of plastics can this machine handle?
Almost any thermoplastics. Polypropylene, polyethylene, nylon, polycarbonate, even glass-filled materials.
What about FDA-approved plastics?
Yes, perfect for medical and food applications.
How big can the parts be?
The standard mold area is 6 inches by 4.8 inches. The max shot size is 30 cubic centimeters or 1.83 cubic inches. You can make multiple small parts in one shot. We see this used for prototyping, small batch production, and education. With a 60-second cycle time, you can make 100,000 cycles a year with an 8-hour-a-day pace. That's about 500 cycles in a standard 8-hour shift. Medical companies use it for testing. Design studios use it for rapid prototyping. Schools use it to teach injection molding.
So it's not just for hobbyists?
Not at all. This is professional-grade equipment. Let me show you a complete cycle. First, I'll start the heating. While that's heating up, I'll load the plastic. Place a catch bucket under the machine. Remember to always wear safety glasses when operating the machine. The machine is ready. I'll press run. The clamping is completed and the injection into the mold happens. The holding stage is also called the packing stage. Now we wait for cooling. The cooling time is about 5 seconds for the mold and the material. And here comes the homing. And the ejection.
Wow, that's impressive. The part looks perfect.
Industrial quality every time.
Let's talk about cost. How does this compare to traditional injection molding?
Traditional molding requires expensive tools. Our molds cost a fraction of that.
What about the machine cost?
The APSX-PIM V3 costs under $15,000. That's often less than just the tooling for one traditional mold.
You mentioned energy savings earlier.
Right. We use 90% less energy than a 60-ton press during the heat-up process. That's a significant savings over time.
How much does it cost to run at steady state?
About the same as running a 60-ton press.
So when do you break even?
Most customers see payback in about 3 months, especially if you're outsourcing parts. You save on shipping, lead times, and minimum order quantities.
Can you use 3D printed molds?
Absolutely. That's one of our most popular features. You can print a mold and start production the same day.
How many parts can you get from a 3D printed mold?
Depends on the material, but typically 50 to 500 parts. The machine logs all your process data. Pressure, temperature, timing, everything is recorded.
Why is that useful?
Quality control. You can prove your process is consistent.
So who should consider the APSX-PIM V3?
Anyone who needs plastic parts but doesn't want the hassle of traditional injection molding.
Product designers, engineers, small manufacturers?
Exactly, and schools that teach manufacturing.
How can people learn more?
Visit our website, download the user manual. We even have step-by-step instructions in our support section online. We offer virtual demos and live demos in our showroom here in Cincinnati, Ohio.
Ready to cut your costs? Download the user manual or book a live demo at apsx.com. The APSX-PIM V3, desktop injection molding that actually works. Thanks for watching. See you on the production floor.
Made in USA, Cincinnati, Ohio.